Welcome back to PFD Auto. On this episode, pedals. We're going to see if we can get this 202 clutch and brake pedal installed in the old 190. See what it's going to take to get this E30 drive-by-wire pedal installed also. So stay tuned. So this is where all the magic is going to happen. This is where the brake and clutch pedal bolt to. At least this is where the old brake pedal bolted to before I tried to make it a manual. The problem is that bolt hole up there does not fit with the pedal assembly I have. It's got provisions for it right there. When you try to bolt it up or mount it up, it doesn't fit. Let's take a look at that. So I've got this on one of the bolts. You can see the other one there. It wants to go on there. That bolt pattern is correct. But up here, this is hitting before it gets anywhere near the hole behind it. I think what we need to do is just cut that off. I believe this is out of a 202. Not 100% sure. But if I cut that off, it'll definitely bolt to those back four. I'm not sure how strong it is and if we need that top bolt, but I think we're about to find out. So, against my better judgment, went ahead and lopped that piece off. And going to fit it up in here. I tried onto the bottom piece, but where the brake pedal and clutch connect, and it doesn't bolt all the way back up there. So yeah. Well, we're back at it. I just went and bought a whole new pedal set. This one, actually from a 190. And this, looking a whole lot better. Now, I will say it's seen a little better days. All the paint's starting to chip off, so we'll have to take care of that. Because it's completely corroded underneath there. But this is looking a lot better. I've already checked it out, and it fits. I found the pad. I found all the hardware. So I'm going to tear this thing apart real quick and give it a paint job, and then we will install it. So now that we got this all buttoned down nice and tight, got this weird sleeve on the outside, not sure why, but looks like sound deadening, so I'm there. Now though, we got to build something for this so we can get this to mount. First things first, we got to get this piece out of here. I'm going to peel back this stuff and see how well this is stuck to the car here. And then, I don't know, either hammer it down or cut it out. We'll figure it out. So I was looking at this and I was thinking about cutting it out. And I was thinking to myself, there's got to be some way I can make this work. The original pedal slides on there, goes back and forth, real simple design. So I started thinking, which is trouble, I know, and I started cutting and cutting. What I came up with was a way to squeeze this pedal on here, kind of fit it into that pedal. I think I need to do still some more trimming, but with the setup that I made, I have an original pedal that connects to this BMW drive-by-wire pedal and has a full range of motion. So why can't I just use that? I got to figure out how to stick this down a little bit better. I mean, I could just make a plate and drill a hole or something. I also kind of cut this out on the back to fit this. Now, this doesn't have a hole in it, but it could really easy. And then I slide that into here, drill a hole through that and put a pin in it. And then I have factory Mercedes pedal. It's drive-by-wire. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I think it's going to work, though. I think I need to do a little bit more work on it. But once I get it done, I mean, I really don't see why it won't work. I'm not real excited about that angle. I'm going to see what I can do to maybe reduce the size of the back there. Not 100% sure, but I mean, I am real happy with that. I might just have to deal with it. I'm not sure, but I like the progress that we've made today. And yeah. Well, I wouldn't believe you if you told me, but factory pedals in the 190. Got the go pedal, got the intermediate pedal, and the stop pedal. I think it's looking pretty good. But that's all I can do for today. Still need to do some tweaking on the pedal and might have to 3D print some stuff. But today, it's all in there. Stuff is getting held down and I'm pretty happy with the progress. So that's where I'm going to end it today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, ideas on what I could do to improve on this, love to hear from you. Anyways, you keep watching them. I'll keep making them. And we'll see you next time on PFD Auto. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's a dirty thumb.